Okay, welcome to the to our
Hi.
studio, Mr. Doctor. Can you tell us about the audience about the smoking? How does it affect our body?
Yes, let's say that smoking is very bad to your lung, to your heart, and to your brain, of course. Because in cigarettes there's a lot of cyanide and nicotine.
Okay,
That depends on your lung issues and brain issues.
tissues, you mean?
Yes.
Okay,
And when you smoke, the smoke is going around your body.
it actually stays in the clothes, for
Yes.
example,
I mean that.
in your
And
like
then
in
you're
your
stinky.
okay, and then you become stinky.
Yes.
Okay,
Like
right.
Mr. Hobo.
Mr. Hobo.
Yes.
We don't talk about that. And how does it affect? I mean, if somebody is playing sports, for example, does it affect someone's life in that way?
Of course. If you like playing tennis
Yes.
and then you're smoking, that depends on this. When you will have injury,
Injury.
yes,
Okay.
then a man that doesn't smoke
Mm-hmm.
will lie in a hospital, let's say 2 or 3 days, and if you smoke, you will lie there maybe even a month.
Okay. And what kind of diseases are consistent with the smoking? Tell us, please, about that. What kind of a disease you can have if you smoke?
You can have, of course, the
I mean, the cancer is
yes,
one of the biggest one, actually.
cancer, the emphysema,
Mm-hmm.
and I think that the most important thing that I want to say that each cigarette that you will light up means 20 minutes of your life.
Ah.
So 10 cigarettes gives us 200 minutes of our life.
Ticks, you mean?
Yes.
Well, that's really bad, actually. And what about the kids who are smoking every day, like teenagers and stuff? They're smoking in the streets. What do you say about that?
It means that you will live in this smoke, and it's not good for you, because if you will light up when you are older,
Mm-hmm.
it will not depend, because let's say you are 70 and you light up first cigarette, you have, let's say, 20 years of life.
Okay.
In front of you, not 70.
70,
as when you
true,
are
that's true.
17 years old. And when a woman is pregnant, if she smokes,
she can have some problems in
she
terms
can
of the
have problems
pregnancy.
with child and with her brain and lung
That's
and
true.
everything.
Okay, and what about the bad skin? Because a lot of people complain about some kind of a skin problem.
Oh yes, you're right. Because people that smoke, let's say the blood that is coming through first, there's a lot of good things in normal blood.
Mm-hmm.
But if it's a smoking man, your let's say skin on face become white.
Pale, you mean?
Yes, pale.
Alright.
But
so that's why if you see a lot of people on the streets with white skin, they all smoke.
But not like Michael Jackson, because it was surgery.
It was a surgery, yes, I know. Indeed.
And if you like black men,
we are actually in a in a live television, so I wouldn't use that kind of a language here.
If you are Afro-American,
okay,
you will not become white, so don't try to smoke.
Okay, please keep into notice that if you are a dark skin, but if you smoke, you're not gonna become white. So that's from the Professor Bartek.
Yes.
Right. What about the smell?
Oh yes, smell.
Yeah.
No, if you're smoking,
yeah,
even if you brush your teeth 2 times a day, you use Listerine, and even these things that use Johnny Bravo. Not joking. Even if you use these special things to make your mouth
to rinse your mouth or just to clean a bit,
it's even
the smell wouldn't go, and it stays on your clothes. It stays
because this smoke is sticky and sticks to everything.
All right.
and it's very hard to get it out.
To get rid of that.
Yes.
Okay. Is there any last message you want to say to the public? A lot of children are watching you right now, all over the world.
Yes, that's true. I want to tell that lighting up a cigarette is very wrong for you because it not makes you cooler.
Cooler.
It can make you be lying in the ground. So be that. And it's very, very wrong. Oh, I don't know.
All right. And you want to show your tag to the people, like who you are, like you can just like show. And that's Dr. Hoffman from Indonesia, from Poland. All right. So you can say bye bye to the